See your new baby.
I am so tired. I cannot care for my egg anymore. My egg has no home. Maybe this family can love him. Grow strong, little one. I am sorry, but this is the best for you. My heart hurts so much. What will happen to my egg?
Please come in. Welcome. Your home is very beautiful.
Oh, it's lovely.
Please make yourselves comfortable.
Here is our baby.
Oh, he is so small and sweet. Thank you for this food. We are happy you are here. Your baby brings so much joy.
Yes, he is our little blessing.
Thank you for today. We enjoyed it. Let's get our eggs and go home now. Let's take our eggs home now.
Yes, it is time to go. The eggs look safe.
Good. Let's go. It is a nice day for walking.
Yes, the village feels peaceful.
We are home now.
Let's take the eggs inside.
Oh,
I hope they hatch soon.
yes. I cannot wait.
Look, the egg is moving. Yes, it is starting.
Hello, little one.
He looks perfect.
Another baby. Looks so cute.
We have 2 little chicks now. This egg looks different.
Yes, it does.
Oh,
This is not a chick.
what is this?
This is not my baby! Yeah, baby!
Please, calm down.
You are such a fool! Why did you do that?
I did nothing wrong. Why are you shouting at me? I don't understand.
You brought this egg from somewhere.
No, I swear I didn't.
Won't you?
Why? Is he angry? Did I do something wrong?
I can't stay here. Ah!
Please don't go.
It's a misunderstanding. I can't see the eggs properly inside carriage. Why did this happen?
Mama, don't cry. I made them upset. No. No. You didn't. Why am I alone, Papa? Where do I go now?
I need to stay alone. This is too much.
Papa! Are you here? I came to see you. I brought this for you, Papa. I want to help.
I don't want this.
Oh, I'm sorry. These are for you.
Stop! Go away! Why you brought water? I said, leave me alone. Why?
Don't you want me? I only want love. Maybe. I should go. I should go. He doesn't need me.
It is so cold. I feel scared.
Where is home? Where do I go now? The wind is too strong. I just wanted love. It is so dark. I feel so alone. That was loud. Please, make it stop. The rain is coming inside. I don't know what to do. I just wanted a family. Why can't I belong? Is the storm ending? Maybe. Someone will find me.
The storm was very strong last night.
I hope everyone is safe.
I need to tell them the truth. I must be brave.
Open the door. I need to speak to you.
Oh, it's you. What happened?
I have something to say.
I left my egg in your carriage. I am old and sick. I cannot raise him.
He
Tried to love me. And I hurt him.
Oh no! The duckling is alone! We must find him!
The storm is back!
But we must go and find him! Let's find him fast!
This!
Yes!
This! He needs us!
Baby! Are you here?
Please answer us.
Baby!
Are you near the fence?
Where did he go? He is not here!
Where is our baby? Can you hear me?
Please, answer us.
I was wrong. I hurt him. Please come back.
We will find him. Don't lose hope.
I pray he is safe.
Look, a small shelter.
Maybe he is there.
Baby, it's you.
I'm sorry.
No, I am sorry. You are our...
You are our baby. I love you.
I love you too, my child.
Our family is together again.
We will never leave you again.
Let's go home. Your siblings are waiting.
We are a family now.
The rain is stopping.
Yes. You are safe with us.
Come inside, little one. Welcome home. We like you. You are our brother. Look, a butterfly. Let's catch it. Our family is together again.
We will never leave you again.
Thank you for loving my baby. Baby. He is our child now. I am so grateful my baby has such a caring family. Goodbye, my sweet baby.
My baby found love, that is enough.
Family is about love, not looks. Family is not about looking the same.
Family is love, care, forgiveness, and accepting each other.
If you like my story, press the like button and subscribe.